Today we are launching our Wonderful Life collection. This collection is a great mix between home decor, gift-giving ideas, and new styles for your handmade bag assortment. This collection is the start of our brand new way of how we will be launching new patterns to you. Over the next few months, you can look forward to several new videos and kits related to all of the patterns that I'll be introducing to you today. Make sure that you're subscribed to our email newsletter and our YouTube channel so that way you know when we create a new video or inspiration to share with you. The pattern names and designs of this collection were inspired by the classic Christmas movie, It's a Wonderful Life. Let's take a closer look at the charming details of each of these special patterns. Our first pattern to debut in this collection is called Bedford Falls. This pattern was so much fun to design and make. There are several options for customizing your set of houses, so you can theme your own set to coordinate with the holidays or fit in with your general everyday decor. With this pattern, craft a special set of holiday trees and houses. You can customize your village with optional appliques, including windows, doors, wreaths, bows, or even a picket fence. You can also use printed corks or a mix of solids to coordinate with your home decor. This magical set is fun to gift or add on to each year. It is also an ideal way to use up your faux leather and cork fabric scraps. Our second pattern to debut in this collection is called Clarence. This pattern is beginner friendly, it's very giftable, and it's a great way to use up your scraps. With our new Clarence pattern, create a delightful mug rug or hot pad set. The designs are created with minimal sewing and are very fun. You can use a variety of quilting cotton scraps, or perhaps you have a treasured holiday collection that you've been waiting to use all together on one project. Top stitching gives the illusion of seams, and we also show you how to include a fun hidden pocket for the hot pad version. The third pattern in this collection is called George. You can never go wrong with a classic wallet, and this one has a lot of fun hidden design elements. This functional, slim, and sophisticated wallet includes card slots, small pockets, a large top center pocket for cards or receipts, and an optional magnetic money clip for folded cash. The George fits perfectly inside pant pockets, a clutch, fanny pack, or even a dress pocket. And the final pattern in our Wonderful Life collection is called Mary. This classically shaped bag has a whole new look with our Sallie Tomato round metal handles. Mary is a structured and sophisticated modern crossbody, perfect for any occasion and a must-have in your bag collection. This fashion-forward bag features unique metal handles and an adjustable crossbody strap, top zipper closure, an interior slip pocket, and an interior zipper pocket. We hope you are inspired by our Wonderful Life collection and are encouraged to start your holiday sewing early this year. Whether you're making gifts for loved ones or perhaps adding a touch of holiday spirit to your home and wardrobe, we hope that this collection inspires you to make something truly special. We would love to see the projects that you're creating with this collection. Please share your projects and how you made it your own. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Wonderful Life on social media so we can see it. You can find the links to the entire collection and these brand new patterns in the description below this video. From all of us here at Sallie Tomato, we wish you a happy holidays in July. And remember, every time a bag gets sewn, an angel gets its wings. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our pattern line for more creative projects. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you next time.